To start graphing a line in slope-intercept form, you'll need to identify the y-intercept. Usually this is the last number in the equation. It's always the number not touching x. In our first example, this is the 3 in our equation, so that means you will start by plotting 3 on the y-axis. Next, you will identify the slope. This is the number multiplied by x. The slope in this example is 3/2. A slope describes how you will move. You might have heard other teachers describe this as rise over run. Rise just means to move up if the number is positive or down if the number is negative. 3/2 is positive, so we will go up 3 from our y-intercept. Run means to go horizontally. Graph enough of these and you will see that you always end up going right. So for our slope of 3/2, you will go up 3 and over 2. Now that you have 2 points, you can connect them with a line. Notice our second example. It's the same as the first, but with a negative slope. Just like before, you will start by graphing the y-intercept, which is still at 0 and 3. But our negative slope means that instead of going up from the y-intercept, we will go down. So down 3 and to the right 2. Draw your line. A common confusion I see students make is with the slope. In our first 2 examples, the slope was a fraction, but you can see the slope in our next 2 examples don't have obvious fractions. Just like before, you will start with plotting the y-intercept. Next, notice the slope is -2. This number has a secret 1. You can think of this number as -2 over 1. So since the slope is negative, you will go down 2 and to the right. Feel free to repeat this move as many times as you like. You can also reverse the order and go up, but then that means that you will have to move left 1 instead of right 1. The next example, we start with a y-intercept at 1. Now, even though it looks like there is no number in front of x, it is actually a 1. So our slope tells us that we go up 1 and then to the right 1. Don't forget, you can always reverse the order. Down 1 and to the left 1. Now pause the video to see if you can graph these two by yourself.